If you've ever struggled with shaky lines while drawing in Krita, or you want to make perfectly straight lines quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to straighten lines in Krita using two simple methods: brush stabilizer mode for smoother, hand-drawn lines, and a fast shortcut for creating perfectly straight lines. This is perfect for digital artists, beginners, and anyone who wants cleaner line art without frustration. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about smoothing out shaky strokes. Open Krita and select your standard freehand brush tool from the toolbar. If you prefer, you can also press B on your keyboard to get to the brush tool faster. Once that tool is selected, look over to the right side of the screen and open the Tool Options docker. This is where Krita gives you extra settings for how your brush behaves while you draw. At the top of that panel, find the Brush Smoothing drop-down menu. By default, it may be set to Basic, but if you want smoother lines, change that mode to Stabilizer. This is one of the easiest ways to reduce handshakes and make your strokes much cleaner. After switching to stabilizer, you'll see an option called Sample Count. Drag that slider higher if you want Krita to average out more of your movement and smooth your line even more. The higher the sample count, the more the brush will help filter out little tremors from your hand. That means your lines will look steadier and less shaky, which is especially useful for inking, sketch cleanup, and detailed art. You can experiment with the slider to find the balance that feels right for your drawing style. If you set it too high, the line may feel a little delayed, so it's all about finding what works best for you. Now, if your goal is not just smoother lines, but a perfectly straight line, Krita has an even faster trick. Start by selecting the freehand brush tool again, or simply press B if you're not already on it. Then press and hold the V key on your keyboard. Holding V temporarily brings up the line tool, which makes it really easy to draw straight strokes without switching tools manually. With V held down, click and drag to preview your straight line guide. You'll see the line lock into a clean direction as you move your cursor. When you release the mouse, Krita will place the straight line for you. Once you're done, just let go of the V key and Krita automatically returns you to freehand brush mode. That means you can go right back to drawing naturally without interrupting your workflow. This shortcut is incredibly useful when you need straight edges, panel lines, architecture details, technical drawings, or any artwork where precision matters. It saves time and keeps your process smooth, especially if you need to alternate between freehand drawing and straight segments often. So just to recap, if you want smoother, less shaky strokes, use the brush smoothing option and switch it to stabilizer, then increase the sample count. If you want a perfectly straight line, press and hold F to temporarily use the line tool, drag out your stroke and release to return to freehand mode. Both methods are simple, fast, and super helpful for improving your workflow in Krita. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Krita tutorials, digital art tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.